on your mandate, we shall stand. Bola, on your mandate, on your mandate, we shall stand. No.
By someone, please.
Order, please.
Please.
Order,
and face the chair, please. Sit and face the chair. Thank you. Those in support of this motion say aye. Those in support of the motion say aye. Those against say nay. Those in support of the second leg of the motion say aye. Aye. Those against say nay.
Nay.
The nays have it.
Very grateful, Mr. Speaker. I'm very well obliged, my dear colleagues. The motion is brought under Order 8 Rule 5, and it's on the non-implementation of 2024-2025 budget and non-payment of local contractors. The House notes the plight of local contractors who had protested severally in the past and are presently protesting at the gate of the National Assembly and intend to continue with the protest for the next 1 week. The House further notes that the Minister of Finance, Minister of Budget, and Accountant General of the Federation were invited to a high-level committee meeting led by the Deputy Speaker of the House, and they made promises and undertakings to ensure that local contractors are paid for jobs executed under the 2024 and 2025 appropriations, which implementation is still abysmal. The House notes further that the leadership of the Parliament met with the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Ministers of Finance and Budget, and the President instructed that the ministers should immediately effect payment of local contractors and execution of the budgets. The said instruction was not implemented several weeks thereafter. The House further notes that the non-payment of local contractors has worked severe hardship on both the local contractors and indeed the Nigerian populace, and that this has brought tension and increased poverty in our country. Consequently, the House is urged to resolve that the Minister of Finance, Minister of Budget and Economic Planning, and Accountant General of the country be given 7 days to make the aforesaid payments of all outstanding bills to local contractors for 2024 and implement the 2025 budget. The House further is called upon to mandate the leadership of the House to ensure implementation and strict compliance with the aforesaid resolution and report back to the House within 1 week for further drastic legislative action. I so move.
I think it's a straightforward motion. And I'll just put the question. Those in support of this motion say aye.
Aye.
Those in support of this motion say aye. Aye. Those against say no. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. I think this motion is unanimously agreed to by this House, and we will refer the motion to the committee as prayed by the resolution, the prayer of this motion, which is to the leadership. To the leadership. Yeah. Is referred to the leadership. Carried. Yes, what is it? My palace?
Mr. Speaker, my respected colleagues, Kabiru Amadou Mepalis is my name. I represent the entire people of Busau's IP Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I'm from Zamfara State. Mr. Speaker, in view of the motion that was a super urgent motion that was just moved by the minority leader and seconded by the majority leader, I also want to move another urgent motion, Mr. Speaker, that this House should adjourn sitting and all activities of the House until 1 week when we hear from the executive about this issue.
All activities of the House?
Yes, all activities.
Let me hear him first before you carry.
All activities, sitting and all activities, Mr. Speaker.
Please, can you repeat yourself?
Sitting and all activities.
To stop sitting until we hear from them.
Yes, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the urgency of the matter.
Amendment. We say we should put.
Mr. Speaker, the urgency of the matter and the sensitivity of the motion that was moved demand that this House should do adjourn until next week, so that the leadership will have an ample time to digest with the executive to find a proper and lasting solution of this problem. That's my motion, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Chairman, Rules and Business. You are the one in charge of our sitting. The other paper, the notice. That is a motion. What do you have to say about that? Tell us why.
I should read formally.
Can you tell us why?
Why?
Why you are supporting it?
Mr. Speaker, during the 1 week, the contractors promised that they will
Please,
continue.
can we happen to listen to Chairman
demonstrate.
Rules? Can we listen to Chairman Rules? Thank you very much. Yes, tell us why.
The contractors promised that during this 1 week, they will continue to demonstrate, make this place inconducive for us and inaccessible for us. So we won't be fighting with them at the gate to come in. So it's sensible for us to keep away and give the government, the executive, the opportunity to do the needful. I agree very much with the motion and I second it.
So you are saying today members came late because the road was blocked by these contractors, and you don't want to suffer that for the next 1 week?
Definitely, Mr. Speaker. Definitely.
Okay, what now happens to other paper you have printed for the week? Did you print for every day?
I will move that the matters on the other paper for today be stepped down till Tuesday next week, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. So you are seconding. The motion, I'm calling for seconder. No, he has not seconded. He only explained. I asked him for explanation. Did you second? Oh, you seconded. Oh, you've been seconded. What do you mean by amendment? It's a straightforward motion. Oh, yes. Before you move for adjournment and ask the question for adjournment, we have to adopt our vote and proceeding.
No, let's adopt it.
Today.
Yes.
So,
let's adopt the votes and proceedings.
yeah, leader, move that we adopt our vote and proceeding. No, if we put that. Back. Honorable Mgbeke, turn off your mic. Your mic, sir. Thank you very much. There is a motion that has been moved, and this motion has been seconded. Those in support of this motion say aye. I'll ask again. There is a motion that has been moved by Honorable my palace and seconded by the Chairman, Rules and Business, that based on the fact that the road is blocked by these contractors and that we will not be able to access here easily within the week, that we are joined till next week to enable us consult with the executive and rectify this within 1 week. Those in support of that motion say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Now, please, rules and business move that we adopt our vote and proceeding of today.
Very much right, Honorable Speaker. Francis Ejirogane YFS, my name. Ugele North, Ugele South to do federal constituency. I rise to move that we do adopt our vote and proceedings of today's sittings.
On your mandate, we shall stand. On your mandate, on your mandate, we shall stand.